A unique rarity, a Packard automobile assembled 122 years ago, will be put up for auction at RM Sotheby's in early October. It is generally accepted that Packard built only 4 Model Gs, which featured a powerful 2-cylinder engine, but only one has survived to this day. The supercar of the early 20th century is expected to fetch between $500,000 and $600,000. Packard obtained the 2-cylinder engine by combining 2 single-cylinder engines in an opposite configuration. It developed an impressive 24 horsepower for 1902. By the standards of the early 20th century, the Model G can be considered a supercar. In the same year, the car won the race from New York to Boston, and such cars were assembled only by special order. A version with a 2.3-meter wheelbase and an open body with an additional door in the rear side, which can accommodate up to 8 passengers, is up for sale. Another unusual design nuance is 2 fuel tanks, located in the front and back. Over the entire time since its assembly, the Packard Model G has had only 5 owners, and one family owned the car for 87 years in a row. The current owner acquired the rarity in 2017, after which it was completely restored and, in theory, is now suitable for operation. In mid-August, another remarkable car from the beginning of the last century was put up for auction at Meekham. This is a 1913 Waverley Model 83 electric car. The rarity was sold, but the auction house does not publish the amount of the transaction.